Hey guys, welcome back, and today we're going to be doing a do-it-yourself project, a very simple one. If you're like me, you get tired of having dry hands and using unnatural soaps and other products. So today, we're going to be making a natural foaming hand wash. Ingredients you're going to need: 1/3 of a cup of non-scented Castile soap base, 2/3 of a cup of water, 10 to 12 drops of your choice of essential oil, and an 8-ounce bottle with a foamer pump. All of these supplies can be found in the link down in the description. Let's get to it. Real quick before we get started, if you haven't joined our Facebook group, please do that. It's in the description down below, and you can get the best prices on essential oils at the link in the description below as well. Real quick guys, if you modify that recipe I just showed you by using only 1/4 of a cup of Castile soap base and Melaleuca, you can get yourself a really effective face wash. We're simply going to pour your Castile soap into the bottle. Next, you're going to pour your essential oils into the container. I chose Serenity because I just love this blend, and you're going to use 10 to 12 drops. Next, you're going to fill your container up till about an inch below the top. That way you have room for your foamer to fit into the bottle. Tighten the lid, give it a little shake, and there we have it guys. Another toxic problem conquered by a natural solution. Guys, this is why we love do-it-yourselves on this channel. We're going to continue doing them. Please subscribe so you don't miss any of them. Let us help revolutionize your healthcare and get rid of all of your toxic chemicals out of your house. Until next time, talk to you later.